How to download and install Indodax app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Indodax. You will see the official Indodax app with its recognizable logo in the search results. Make sure the developer's name is listed as Indodax. Tap on the app to go to its details page, then hit the install button. The app will begin installing automatically, and depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. Next, you will need to create an account if you don't already have one, or tap login if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to register or login. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of the app, where you can start exploring its features, including viewing cryptocurrencies, checking market prices, and making trades. The interface is simple and user-friendly, allowing easy navigation even if you are new to crypto trading. Now you know how to download and install the Indodax app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.